Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn how to insert the flowchart in Microsoft Excel. I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To do this, just click on insert and then click on this shapes which is in illustrations group. After clicking guys, in the third last you have lots of flowcharts here. To have it on your screen, just click there and click on screen. Or you can select it and select and drag on the screen. Guys, you can change the scale from there. You can change the length or you can change the height. Also, you have an option to rotate it. Now, if you don't want, then just select it and press delete. Guys, you can use in various ways in your projects like here I have used. Like this way you can create a flowchart guys. Guys, you can format this figure by just clicking on it, and after clicking you will have this format tab where you can change the property of the shape like here, shape style, or you can fill the shape color, shape outline, okay, shape effect, or you can add any text if you want to add like here I'm adding. And if you want to edit this, then just select it and do the same as you used to do. And if you want to edit this text, then just select it and go to this word art in the format tab. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.